Good morning and welcome back to another video. I'm Collin and I do some stuff and some things on this channel. If you guys are new and you want to subscribe and learn what stuff and things is, go ahead. Subscribe and learn what stuff and things is. So in this video, we went on a little adventure. We flew all across the world from Australia to China. Yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch. So right now we are all at the Columbus Zoo and Aquarium. And right now we are gonna go check in and we're gonna go see some animals. Right now we are all headed to Africa. Stop. Look both ways. Okay, you can go now. Oh, woof, wow. You. So right now we're in the middle of Africa and we found this giant plane that just crash landed here. I don't think there's any people in here, but
I don't want to touch, sorry, that's sticky. Free guide.
so in here it says that this is gonna sound like 10,000 termites. So we're gonna go hear what it sounds like. Cool. We just left South Africa and now we traveled all the way to Asia and we're trying to look for some tigers. I found a wild tiger. He went over here. There he is. A wild tiger out in the wild. So we found large bats. Look at those things. They're so big. And now currently we are in Australia. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel and learn
what stuff and things is.
Do it again. Do it again. Make your face.